Hello everyone, if you are subscribed to my channel, welcome back. Remember, hit that subscribe button below if you are interested on doing yourself installs, mods, repairs, among many others. A few weeks ago, I received a tray organizer with wireless charger on it from CarQI Wireless Company. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the unboxing, the package content, and its installation. First of all, I like the package. It looks really nice. This is a perfect gift for any Tundra owner, I think. This is the first time I see that tray with wireless charger like this one. It has a power button for the wireless charger and also has a USB plug on top. It comes with rubber pads for each section, which is really cool to avoid noise and prevent objects to slide from one side to the other. Below the tray, you can find the voltages, specifications. The wireless charger supports different outputs, as you can see, such as 5, 7.5, 10, and 15 watts. The USB port is limited to 5 volts and 1 amp, which is equivalent to 5 watts. In the package, you can also find the instructions and more information about this product. Also, it has a power adapter to be connected on a Type-C USB port that you can find below the charger. It is really convenient to have pluggable Type-C port on this tray because this will allow you to use this tray with any compatible power adapter if needed. Measurements for the wireless charger area is 3 1/4 inch by 6 3/4 inch. This is approximately. Okay, now it's time to install this tray. This is one of the easiest installs I've done before. So let's see. Okay, let's do this. Take a look of it, how it looks, all mess that I have there. And now I'm gonna install the tray. It's gonna be a very easy thing. Make sure the cable is connected correctly and connect the power cord into the lighted adapter here. So I just realized that this is also something that you can disconnect, as you can see here, which is cool. Okay, and now let's put this in place from the rear side first. Now make sure the cable it's not in the middle, and that's it. Look how good it looks. It looks really nice. Look the difference. This is a huge improvement for the appearance. I really like how it looks, and in addition to that, I have the wireless here, the wireless charger. Now it's time to see if this works as expected. The first thing is to turn the wireless charger on by pressing this button, the power button. It has a blue backlight that indicates it is on. There is also another LED light here, which is green, that turns on when the cell phone is charging. So let's see. Let me put a cell phone here. And as you see now, the green light is on and the cell phone is charging. So it is working as expected. That's cool. I definitely like this. This is a second wireless charger without sacrificing space or having visible cables around. It is a low-cost product compared to other popular options on the market. This is definitely more value added for the money because you have a tray with a lot of sections. It also has rubber pads and a wireless chargers on it. Well, this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. Remember to hit that subscribe button below if you are interested to see many other videos I'll be uploading soon. Also, you can find the product link below in the comment area if you are interested to buy this product. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.